And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The Jamaica Football Federation has found itself in hot water about its treatment of Reggae Girls ambassador Cedella Marley during the ongoing FIFA Women's World Cup. Marley, the daughter of international music icon Bob Marley, was named Reggae Girls ambassador by former president of the JFF, the late Captain Horace Burrell. Marley is largely credited with resuscitating the National Senior Women's Program after it was abandoned in 2008. Karen Madden reports from France.
Primetime Sports FIFA Women's World Cup report.
The Jamaica Football Federation faced a firestorm of criticism after a video emerged on social media showing Reggae Girls ambassador Cedella Marley hailing the Reggae Girls from behind the security fence following Sunday's game in Grenoble. The JFF president Michael Ricketts has pushed back against suggestions that the federation was being disrespectful. We caught up with the Jamaica Football Federation president Michael Ricketts at the team hotel in Rans. Ricketts, while apologizing to Marley, insisted that the JFF meant no disrespect. According to him, overtures were made to Cedella's team ahead of the World Cup.
Early, very early when we learned of our qualification, we were in contact with the Marley group, and they assured us that they were okay and that there's a suite at the venue. We never heard from them again. In fact, there was also an issue that her security, they would have problem, the French people would have problem having her security to come over. So they were actually having discussions with the French people to provide her with local security.
But given that the relationship between the JFF and Marley was brokered under former administration, we asked Ricketts whether there has been a breakdown in the communication between Marley and the current executive, which he now leads.
Real problem is that we, neither from her end nor from our end, did not initiate a discussion in this regard. But like I've said, accreditation is the prerogative of FIFA. So the JFF could not have given her an accreditation.
According to Ricketts, contact has again been made with Cedella's team about her credentials for Jamaica's 2 remaining group matches, but they have been advised that Marley will stick with her previous arrangements.
Well, the team manager wrote to her handler, the person with whom Jean has always communicated, and the response was that they're okay, they're fine.
According to FIFA, it provides accreditation passes for verifiable persons listed as staff members of delegations as provided by local federations. Efforts to reach Cedella Marley through her team have so far been unsuccessful. Reporting from the FIFA Women's World Cup in France, Karen Madden for TVJ Sports.